guys, so I am now going to give you the cabin tour, which you have been waiting on. So let's get to it. We are at Pearl Splash in Sevierville, Tennessee. I'm gonna link it down below. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, let me go ahead and get to this tour before a bear come. This is the outside of the cabin. Show you the back. We are really up in the trees and mountains, guys. I'll take you on this side of the cabin. Whew. And yeah, you can see from the back, they have the 2 decks here. And you have the trees, and then you have a house up there. But yeah, so you come through this way. This is the front porch. You have 2 rocking chairs, a jacuzzi. Open this up so you can see. It's pretty nice jacuzzi. It's on the front porch though, so you know how it's a little ghetto, but yeah, they have a jacuzzi on the front porch. 2 rocking chairs. Don't really sit out here because it's cold right now. And then you come in the front door. The next set of stairs, which will take us to the pool room, our favorite spot to hang out. Room. Like I told you guys, we've been living la vida loca, so it's a mess in here. But anyway, besides the point, you got a table here. You have your station for the projector, like the remotes and all that for the projector right here. We've watched movies as we've been swimming and playing. I actually got these 2 floaty inflatable devices or whatever, so we can have fun in here with. They don't come with the room. Actually, I think I'm just gonna leave them here. So if you do rent this cabin, shout out to me. I did that for y'all. I did that. Anyway, you can watch TV on here, cable, all that. Let's just get into this. I mean, I just love this. I don't even know what it is, y'all. What would you call this? I don't know, but I just love it around the pool. Here, you have a little window and you see the second deck. And then you come right out here. And they have the second deck. We haven't really set out in this deck. Just because it's in the back and it's not that much lighting. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. You know, I'm never gonna sugarcoat nothing. It's not enough lighting back here to actually sit on this swing. It's really nice swing though. It's a 5-foot pool, 5 feet. They got a little Red Lobster looking thing, decor going on right there. They got a humidifier, a little palm tree, you know, towel rack. We done went through them. Now, get into this sauna, y'all. They have a sauna off of the pool. Love it. Sauna right off of the pool, baby. So you just go right in there. And then right after that, you do your sauna or whatever. They have a little shower here, little small bathroom, nothing major. This floaty device actually came with the pool. That one didn't, like I said, but that one I actually got from Amazon for $20. That would be so cute for a mukbang in the pool. I just gave y'all a video idea. Shout out to me. Anyway, little volleyball thing. This pool is really nice, guys. I actually love it. This is actually the whole reason why you should get this place. It's just because of the pool. One thing I do want to say though is that the last cabin we stayed in, what was that, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, I actually like that view better than this view. We don't really have a view with this cabin, honestly. The reason why we really got it was because of the pool, but we don't really have a view with this room. That's like a downfall for me. That pretty much wraps up this cabin tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of my vlogs that I have done in Tennessee. If you haven't watched all of my vlogs, what are you doing? Go check them out. I'll have them linked down below in the description, boo. I got you. I'm gonna make it easy on you, okay? But anyway, what am I about to say? Oh, the cabin that we had in Gatlinburg, I actually have a video on that. I'll link it down below, or you can just go back into my travel playlist. I actually like that cabin better. If I had the choice, I would put this pool room in that cabin because I just love those views, the scenery, all of that. It just gave me my life. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed all my vlogs in Tennessee. I had so much fun, and I hope you guys have fun watching me have fun, and I hope you try out the places that we went to. Anyway, see you in a minute. Bye.